Hello, and today I'm going to show you how to make a notepad, a very basic notepad, in Visual Basic 2010 or 2008. So if we switch over to here, create a new Windows Forms application. Oh wow. And press OK. And I got another microphone too, so it's probably going to be better since you couldn't hear me at all in the last video. Okay, so once it's up, and once my thing starts to respond, okay, there we go. So, we want to make the form bigger. To whatever you're liking. Then, you want to go to your toolbox. There we go. Okay. So, once you get in here, scroll down to sorry, my Visual Basic is way slow. Scroll down to menus and toolbars and add a menu strip and a tool strip. And then you want to click on the menu strip, click on the little arrow, and click Insert Standard Items. Same thing with this, same thing with the tool strip down here. Click on the arrow, Insert Standard Items. Alright. Now, you want to add a rich text box. And then go up to Dock on the rich text box and change it to Fill. Now, you want to delete the print and print preview, because we'll be doing that in the next tutorial. And delete the help, because we don't really need that. And then in the customize, type font and actually, no, that'll be for the next tutorial too. So just leave customize as it is. And we don't actually. Okay, so as I said, this is a basic one. The next tutorial is going to be an advanced one. And so I guess it's time to start coding already. So double click on the new button on the tool strip. And then you want to scroll over here where it says handles, tool strip button 1.click. And then you want to press comma and press or type new tool strip menu item dot click. That saves us from having to type it twice. So going to rich text box 1 dot clear. And so if we debug it, so if we type a bunch of jibber jabber in here and pressed new, it would clear it. Now if we did that again, and then go to file, new, it does that because we specified it over here to we specified in the code to make it handle, which means whenever it's clicked, or actually handles is what it does when the subs opened up. So that means that it's gonna do this on the tool strip, new button on the tool strip when it's clicked, and it also does it on the new tool strip menu item when it's clicked. So yeah. Then we go back to the design, and well, actually we have to add a open file dialog, save file dialog, and that should be good. Then we want to click on open file dialog, clear the file name, and then go to filter. And as it says here, for example, C# file. So we basically have to follow the same pattern. Oop, gosh. Rich text. So rich text files, and then this, then *.rtf, and then we can type all files if we want. Actually, no. We're leaving it at that for now, I guess. Let's maybe it's that. Okay, there we go. Now what it did was I put one of these straight line thingies at the end when I didn't need to, and that messes it up. So anyway, do the filter. Let's see. Let's just leave that alone. Go to title and call it whatever you want. So now double click on the open button. There we go. And say open file dialog one dot show dialog. Then you want to type open. Oh no, that's all for now. Then you want to double click on open file dialog one and say rich text box one dot load file open file dialog one dot file name. There we go. Now we actually are going to go back to the open button because we forgot to oops. Let's go back here. And open open tool strip menu item dot click. So I think that's good for open. Now if we have to delete this first. Delete that. But go over to save file dialogs properties. Filter, same thing. Rich text files .rtf Now if we change the title, and we also delete the save as button because we don't really need that either. Alright, so double click on the save button. Same thing. And save file dialog one. Now go back over here and double click on the save, not open like I just did, but in the file OK, and type rich text box one dot save file. Save file dialog one dot file name. Now that we've got that straight, go to the cut button and type rich text box one dot cut. Go over here. Cut. Once you get into the groove, it's really easy. Rich text box one dot copy. these ones are really easy because it's only rich text box 1 dot whatever the name of the thing is. Now just paste. Rich text box 1 dot paste. Oops. And go over here, comma, paste, tool strip menu item dot click. I'm gonna delete this. We might do it in the next tutorial. Then if we go to edit and double click on undo, and rich text box 1 dot undo, rich text box 1 dot redo, and we don't have to do any handles over here because there's only one button for it. And then on select all, rich text box 1 dot select all. Pretty easy. And I believe that should be it. Let's build it and see how it goes. And let me know what you think of my new microphone, because I just got it last night. Okay. Now, if we save this to my document, no, let's change it to, why not? As testing, and go to open, testing, it opens it. Now if we cut this, it cuts. And edit, undo, that works too. Edit, redo, and I'm just gonna undo it one more time. And then if we copy this, it works. And if we press new, oh, we didn't do the exit button. Edit, select all. It works. Now for one more thing, file, exit. It's really easy, just type end. So thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and make sure to see me in the next tutorial where I'll be talking about more in-depth features, like font, color, maybe print, and other stuff like the about box. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you around.